Genius cooking hacks. You need to try. 1. Easily peel garlic. Peeling off the many layers of outer skin on a bulb of garlic can be frustrating and fiddly. Speed up that process and save yourself the stress by using the microwave to help peel garlic. To use this kitchen hack, simply chop the top and bottom off the garlic bulb and then microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. After microwaving, the outer shell should slip right off. Take care not to microwave your garlic for too long. It can burn and present a fire hazard if left unattended. 2. Quickly husk corn. While buying fresh ears of corn from the farmer's market results in delicious corn, it also takes extra time to husk. Skip this annoying and tedious task with a fun kitchen hack. Microwaving corn in the microwave for around 30 seconds loosens up the outer husk and makes husking easier. Make sure to keep an eye on the corn while in the microwave to avoid safety hazards. 3rd, upgrade tomato sauce. Want to make restaurant-quality tomato sauce at home? This chef-inspired kitchen hack effortlessly upgrades homemade tomato sauce by incorporating fresh carrots. The sweetness of carrots helps balance out the acidity in tomatoes, resulting in a delicious sauce. Make sure to remove the carrots before serving and enjoy. 4. Keep herbs fresh. Nothing is worse than splurging on fresh herbs at the grocery store only to find them wilted the next day. Fresh herbs elevate many dishes, but they are extremely hard to keep fresh for long. Keep herbs such as parsley and cilantro fresh with this one simple kitchen hack. First, cut off the ends of the stems and then place them in a glass jar filled with fresh water. Next, place a plastic bag over the top of the jar and secure it with twine or a rubber band. With this kitchen hack, herbs can stay fresh in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. 5. Cut the perfect fries. Want to chop perfectly uniform potato wedges like a professional chef? You don't need immaculate knife skills to pull off this kitchen hack. All you need is an apple slicer and large potatoes. Simply press the apple slicer over the potato for juicy wedges worthy of any steakhouse. 6. Quickly pit cherries. Pit cherries like a professional with this kitchen hack. If you need to get the pits out of a large number of fresh cherries in a hurry, then this kitchen hack is for you. All you need is an empty glass bottle like a beer bottle and a chopstick or metal straw. Place the cherry on the opening of the bottle and then use the chopstick to push the pit out of the cherry and into the bottle. This kitchen hack is great for home cooks without access to a cherry pitter. 7. Get extra juicy lemons. Want to ensure your lemons are extra juicy? This kitchen hack uses a microwave to ensure the maximum juice is squeezed from your lemons. Simply microwave the lemons for 7 to 10 seconds and then roll the lemon back and forth on the counter to release the juices. This hack will leave you with more juice using less effort. This method can also be used on limes. 8. Hull strawberries fast. Using fresh strawberries while baking can be such a pain. Use this kitchen hack to quickly remove the stem and hull of your fresh fruit. Just insert a drinking straw into the bottom of the strawberry until the top pops off and the stem is easily discarded. This hack will save you loads of time when using a large quantity of fresh strawberries. 9th, tomato halving hack. Need to slice a handful of cherry tomatoes in a rush? Use this kitchen hack involving 2 plates to speed up your tomato slicing. Start by placing the small tomatoes on a plate and then place another plate on top, sandwiching the tomatoes between the 2 plates. Next, slice through the tomatoes horizontally while securing the top plate with your hand. Voila! You have now sliced multiple tomatoes in a single motion. 10th, rescue salty soup. Have you ever oversalted a large batch of soup but don't want to throw it out and start over? Adding fresh apples is an easy kitchen hack to save your soup in a pinch. The starch and sweetness in the apple slices can soak up some of the salt and neutralize the overly salty flavor. To save your soup, slice up an apple, chuck it into your pot of soup, and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. You can also tie the apple slices into a cheesecloth to make them easier to fish out after simmering. If you found these hacks helpful, please like and subscribe.